Hello students, how are you? I think you all must be fine. Now come to the VPS online classes. Students, in my previous video I have explained the first chapter of literature reader book, which was the poem A Night Rain in Summer. In the first two paragraphs, poet James Leigh Hunt expressed his feelings in a rainy night in summer. Now in the first stanza, the poet wants to enjoy the spiritual and peacefulness of the nature, and in the second stanza, the poet would not want any artificial light inside his room. He wants natural darkness in his room so that he can connect the nature directly. Today I am going to explain the third stanza of the poem A Night Rain in Summer. Now see the stanza. The third stanza of the poem A Night Rain in Summer. Now, whichever shall sing me sharp lullabies, and God's own darkness shall close mine eyes, and I will sleep with all things blessed in the pure earth shadow of natural rest. In this stanza, the poet is talking about his natural sleep, natural rest of this or that particular rainy night. Now, in this stanza, the poet is saying that fresh air and tapping sounds of the rain will sing him the sharp and soothing lullabies. Lullabies means a gentle song that make a child to sleep, जिसको हम हिंदी में लोरी कहते हैं, जिसको लोरी गा के छोटे बच्चों को सुलाया जाता है. उसी तरह से पोएट टैपिंग साउंड ऑफ रेन और फ्रेश एयर को अपनी लोरी के रूप में यहाँ पर बता रहा है, जो कि उसको नेचुरल शार्प स्लीप दिलाएगी. एंड गॉड्स ओन डार्कनेस शैल क्लोज माइन आइज मीन्स, एंड द गॉड्स ओन डार्कनेस मीन्स नेचुरल डार्कनेस विदाउट एनी आर्टिफिशियल लाइट और brightness, means of calming presence, will make him sleep. All the blessed things, and I will sleep with all things blessed. Blessed means blessed, lucky, good fortune, means the things which make you happy. Here the three things which poet thinks he are blessed with, the things which he said will be blessed are the presence of air, darkness and cleansing air. He is blessed with these three things in the pure earth shadow of natural rest. Means here the earth shadow means earth appears as moonlight. जैसे कि अर्थ का मून की जो शेडो अर्थ पे पड़ती है, उस लाइट के बारे में कहा गया है. द शेडोज ऑफ द नेचुरल थिंग्स. इन दिस वे द पोएट वॉन्ट्स टू enjoy natural rest, means sleep that rainy night naturally. Okay students, now in this poem the poet James Leigh Hunt, or you said the child who is talking to himself, wants to enjoy natural things in this particular rainy night. Natural things like good fresh air, tapping sounds of the rain and the natural darkness. All these things connect him to the God. In this poem, the poet is expressing her feelings in connection with nature. So this is the appreciation of nature. In this poem, poet appreciate each and every things of the nature, and that particular night also the poet enjoys the most and sleeps very natural sleep. Thank you students for this video, and in my next video I will explain the word meaning and the question answer of this poem. Thank you students for this video.